Hey folks, this is Sean from 911 Reviews. Today we're going to look at this knee brace sleeve by X-Force. It's one of the best neoprene knee braces on the market, so we're going to give it a thorough test. But first, can you identify this movie clip?
I dare ya! Don't just stand there! Throw me a spear!
Aha. So my dad and I both tried out X-Force's knee brace, with great results. He actually has a bad knee and was able to use this for extra support while running the snowblower. The neoprene compression sleeve gives you a feeling of security in whatever activity you happen to be doing. The sleeve provides your knee with flexible, comfortable protection. Each of these knee sleeves comes in 4 sizes: large, extra large, medium, and small, not necessarily in that order. Let's watch me do a few jumps in it. It can be easily used as a mobile knee support, which offers warmth and improves your stability in whatever you happen to be doing. Okay, that wasn't me. Here's me trying it with a couple simple kettlebell exercises. It's built on an anatomical fit, and it's unique in that it's based on the actual contour of a human leg. So these things are designed and structured by professionals working with textile engineers to give you an optimal combination of both comfort and support. Just remember, if you're using a knee brace to help recuperate an injured leg, that any knee brace, even a full range of motion one like this, is going to restrict the power output of your injured leg, causing your other leg to compensate. My dad noticed this while he was running the snowblower, and that's a good thing. It reminded me of wearing a piece of a wetsuit, if that helps. It also comes with a satisfaction guarantee, so pick one up on Amazon if you want to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We have new reviews all the time, and we'll see you next time on 911 Reviews. Adios.